HCTI stock analysis and HCTI stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, what I will be breaking down is my exact play with healthcare triangle. Now it's sitting at 3 cents with a 6% correction, but all I'm looking to further do is just double down on this like crazy. Not in a way where I'm just going to immediately start buying. I'm just saying, you know, how I would do things. You can see that I have so many previous receipts here, like a 9 results popping up. Not so many, but it's definitely enough in the receipts channel, and my idea is going to still sit and be the same. Bias wise, I'm looking to take it further up. If you ask me, you know, but how would I just look to maybe trade this? But it's actually quite simple. This is the demand zone that I'm looking at, and the only thing that I would, I guess, take or buy is if there's a double break here. And if not, then I guess I'm not gonna buy myself. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K from trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy. See you.